Today I'm going to teach you about parent animal and their baby name. Peacock, peachick. Dog, puppy. Parent name is dog and baby name is puppy. Owl, owlet. Parent name is owl and baby owlet. Monkey, baby name is infant. Elephant and baby name is calf. Kangaroo and baby name is Joy. Cow and cow baby name is Calf. Hen and baby hen name is Chick. Lamb, baby is Lamb and parent name is Sheep. Parent is Duck and baby is Duckling. Parent is Cat and baby is Kitten. Parent is deer and deer baby is fawn. Butterfly and his baby is caterpillar. Frog and baby is tadpole. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.